Welcome to our tutorial today. We will be diving into a sleeve pattern. We'll be taking a measurement on a basic sleeve. So now if you notice here, this will be our shoulder line. Just make sure that you measure in the middle of your pattern. Well, from shoulder line, you make a straight line from your desired length. We'll make a straight line from here, from shoulder line. Now we will be doing our upper arm from here to get our upper arm. We will measure 4 inches. So please make sure that you measure 4 inches or 5 inches. If you are making a basic sleeve, you will do 4 or 5, but if you are making a jacket, you'll go up to 7, so that your arm will be able to move freely. So now we will make this point here from 1 to 4 inches. Now we want to measure our upper arm. I got 12 inches around my upper arm. I got 12 inches. Now I will be dividing this by 2. That will be 6 inches. It will be 6 inches. Let's do this. Inches from here to here. Okay. Six inches. Now from our shoulder line to get to our elbow, we will be measuring 13 inches. 13 inches. Now from here it will be 13 inches. Around our elbow also I got a 10.5 inch. So we'll be dividing 10.5 inch. Remember, this is the basic sleeve. 10.5 inch. We will divide 10.5. We'll divide 10.5 by 2. Okay. Then you're gonna get it here. From 1 to 5. Okay. 0.75. We will do the same here. Seven, 3.5 divided by 4 is 3.5. Then here also we will divide it by 2. Then 1.75. 1.75. Okay, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we got our 3 points. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we will be working here to make our sleeve crown. Oh, this part we can label it as front. So from here will be a measuring from this point to here, a 0.7 inch, and outside here as well we'll be measuring a 0.7 inch. Okay, and then we can make label this as front, and then this one as back. And here we continue again. We're gonna measure this a 0.7 inch as well. Okay. Not half an inch. Okay, and then we carry on, and then this last part here also we're gonna measure it half an inch. Here in the middle of this one we will measure it as a half an inch. Okay, that's when now we will be connecting the dots. We'll be connecting the dots from here to here to our crown. We'll make our crown here. So now we're gonna be making the crown and connecting these dots here. Okay, now we're gonna let's do this one. Let's try this one. Okay, here I will just use my hand to connect the dots, and then we move from this line here. Here it's guiding us. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. And here we also need to measure inside our 0.5. We did here our half an inch, 0.5, 0.7. Don't forget 0.7, 0.7. You will notice here is wider, here it's not as wider like this. So now we're gonna connect here. Okay. This is our basic sleeve. I hope you enjoy our lesson today.